Hello everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm Veronica. Today we're gonna bake crispy baked chicken wings. So this is gonna be an oven recipe. Okay, this is my first time making it. So we've got the chicken nibbles. So we're going to put the chicken nibbles in the bowl. So we're going to season them. I'm going to wash my hands. Okay. So we're going to a teaspoon. So we got it says use baking powder instead of baking soda. So it makes these chicken nibbles crispy. So I'm just gonna use my hands to cover up all the chicken nibbles. So we just got, okay, we got, says, okay, salt, 1.5 teaspoon of salt. So we're just going to use the salt grinder. I think these batteries are going to be headed. Look at this little cute, so we just got because our black pepper is broke, so we're just going to use this little pepper. So I'm just going to mix this up. With this tongue. I'm going to get a tongs. Geez, Tommy hasn't come in today. That's the usual. Oh no, because he's been it'll be them. Hopefully those things stuff are growing back. That'll be them. So I'm going to put the oven on. So we're going to put these chicken nibbles in the oven. Oh well. So look on the chicken, make sure it's buffalo sauce. So we're on gas, so bear with me. Okay, so we've got that going. So we got it on. So okay, we're gonna put. So where we're gonna put first? Butter. So we got country soft butter. So not much of it, but onion knife. Yeah. Just trying to get all the butter out. Oops. That done. And then butter, vinegar. Okay. What sort of vinegar? Vinegar. Oh, you do need. Okay. So we just got the apple cider vinegar. So I'm just going to put in here. Don't know how many you're going to put in. There you go. Oh, if that's going to taste like crap.
Not good. Here. Here the...
Right, Mum doesn't want any more. Mum doesn't want any fucking more. Are you going to pay for it? No.
Are you going to pay for it? No.
Yeah, Mum doesn't want any more. So we're going to put the Perry's Worcester sauce and go in here. So next will be the crushed garlic. We just got the crushed garlic. Because next after that we'll bring the windows. So we got, oh shit. So we got crushed garlic. I'm thinking of putting one in here because I don't want it too garlicky. Then after that will be the honey. Oh, and salt. And the pea. So we're going to put the honey in. So we just got this sort of honey. So what sort? I'm thinking of putting, what's the honey? 1 teaspoon. So we got a teaspoon. So say it's 1 teaspoon of honey. So so I'm just going to let the honey melt. Because I'm not going to make the blue cheese. Of course. I'll eat this tiny whiny. No, he'll be No, it's probably so we're going to stir it. So we're going to leave it so the sauce can. Okay, we're going to make the cream cheese. This is my first time actually making it, so I'll give it a go. Okay, 1.5 cups of. We just got sour cream, light. So I'm going to get 1.5. So we got one that goes in there. So what's next? Okay, we're going to do. Oh. So 3 tablespoons of mayo. So we're just going to use garlic. So we're going to do 3 tablespoons of mayo. That's it, yeah. 1, 2, 3. And then, so 1 of the cups of, so 1 1/3 of blue cheese. I just got cream cheese because they ran out of soft blue cheese, so I'm just going to use the same spoon. So we're going to so that's 1 1/3 cups of cream cheese, because I don't have blue cheese. So okay, now I'm going to go back to get the apple, the cider vinegar. So we got, okay, what is that one? 1 teaspoon. Okay, I've got that. Yeah. So it's 1 teaspoon, 1.5 teaspoon of cider vinegar. Sorry, just got a big spoon. So it's 1, and then so 2. So we've got the Worcester sauce. So that's 1. Okay, I'm just gonna put not much of it. I just put an extra in there. Why not? And then rub dry parsley. So we just got the rubbed parsley. So I'm just gonna sprinkle the dry parsley and then mix it together. So I'm going to get a water spoon from my the should have done might put more. So that's the, gave it the best I can, making blue cheese. Oh. And then, oh hello! Thank you for watching how to make crispy chicken wings. If you guys want to try this recipe, the link down in the description down below. Subscribe, push the notification bell for more videos down the line. Ronnie is out. Bye. Yummy. And with the carrots. Yum yum.